Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the gleaming stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the extended single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, and how to work on the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Into the next chain, you're going to make an extended single crochet stitch. So insert your hook into that next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, take that through one loop only, then yarn over and take that through the last 2 loops. And that's going to be an extended single crochet stitch. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Into the next chain, extended single crochet. So you're going to just start repeating. Into the next chain, half double. Into the next chain, extended single. Into the next chain, half double. Into the next chain, extended single crochet. Into the next chain, half double. Into the next chain, extended single crochet. Into the next chain, half double. Into the next chain, make an extended single crochet. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet stitch. Into the next chain, extended single. Into the next chain, half double. Into the next chain, extended single crochet. Into the next chain, half double crochet. Into the next chain, extended single. Into the next chain, half double. Into the last chain, extended single crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. We're going to be making 1 half double crochet into each stitch across, but we're only going to be working them in the back loops. So if you turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches, this loop on each stitch farthest away from you is the back loop. So we're going to be making 1 half double crochet into each stitch, only using that back loop. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a half double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. We're going to be working into the back loops just like we did in our last row, but we're going to be working the same stitches that we did in row 1. So half doubles and these extended single crochets. So we're skipping the first stitch. Into this next one in the back loop, you can make a extended single crochet. Into the back loop of the next stitch, half double. Next back loop, extended single. Then a half double. And we're going to start alternating. When you get to the end of your row, these chains over here counted as a half double, so you're going to work one extended single crochet into the top of those last chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the gleaming stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.